is Mariella Silva from Complete Stillness, and I want to invite you to the Himalayan Yoga class on June 22nd in Bethlehem, Pennsylvania. During our class, we'll do a lot of breath awareness, mindfulness of the postures, joints and glands, relaxation and meditation. This is all part of the class. It's an integrated class, and come to restore, rejuvenate, engage your relaxation response, just like we're doing here with Stanley right now, enjoying nature, activating our relaxation response, which allows us to better engage with the world. See you then. Bye.